In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix error 400 bad request. Google Chrome, super easy. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three dots in the top right corner. A menu will open with several options. Take a moment to look through the list, and then select Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. From this left side menu, click Privacy and Security. After selecting Privacy and Security, you will see several options in the main area of the page. Look for the option called Clear Browsing Data. At the top, there will be a time range option. Click the time range drop-down menu and set it to all time. Make sure cached images and files is checked. Next, make sure cookies and other site data is also checked. Before continuing, quickly confirm that the time range is set to all time and that both cached images and files and cookies and other site data are selected. When everything is selected correctly, click Clear Data. Once the clearing process is complete, the stored cache and cookies have been removed. That covers everything you need to know.